Welcome to the Formula Foundation, Algebraic and Transcendental Elements. So let me first write the definition of algebraic and transcendental elements. And here is the definition. An element alpha of an extension field E of a field F is algebraic over F if f of alpha is equal to 0 for some non-zero f of x that belongs to rings of polynomial fx, right? And if alpha is not algebraic over F, then alpha is transcendental over F. Means let we have two fields F and E such that F is the subset of E, right? Means E is an extension field of a field F, and alpha is a scalar number that belongs to extension field E. Then this number alpha would be algebraic over this field F if there exists a polynomial f of x belongs to rings of polynomial fx. Means coefficient and constants of this polynomial belongs to field f, right? So if there exists a polynomial f of x, then alpha would be algebraic over a field f if f of alpha is equal to 0. Means alpha is a root of this polynomial f of x, right? For instance, rational numbers are the subset of a set of complex numbers. Means complex number is an extension field of rational numbers. Now let's suppose एक number है radical 2. Radical 2 is not a rational number, but radical 2 is a complex number because radical 2 is equal to radical 2 plus 0 iota. It means that radical 2 belongs to complex number. And according to definition, radical 2 is equal to alpha because radical 2 belongs to complex numbers. So ये number alpha is equal to radical 2 algebraic होगा over the field of rationals. अगर कोई polynomial f of x exist करती है in rings of polynomial q of x, right, such that के जो रेडिकल 2 है अल्फा इज इक्वल टू रेडिकल 2 वो इस पोलिनोमियल f of x का रूट हो, दैट इज सच दैट f of radical 2 is equal to 0. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग कि ये नंबर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू रेडिकल 2 दैट बिलोंग्स टू एक्सटेंशन फील्ड ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. ये नंबर अल्फा अल्जेब्राइक होगा ओवर द फील्ड ऑफ रैशनल्स if there exists a polynomial f of x in rings of polynomial q of x such that f of radical 2 is equal to 0, or in other words radical 2 is a root of f of x, right? Now question ये arise होता है कि अब ये polynomial f of x किस तरह find करें. So let alpha is equal to radical 2. So squaring both sides we have alpha square is equal to 2 or alpha square minus 2 is equal to 0. So f of x is equal to x square minus 2 is a polynomial whose root is radical 2, and this polynomial f of x belongs to rings of polynomial q of x because coefficient and constant of this polynomial belongs to rational numbers, right? So f of x belongs to rings of polynomial q of x, and alpha is equal to radical 2 is a root of this polynomial f of x. So alpha is equal to radical 2 is algebraic over q, right? Now let's see some more examples. So here is a question. Determine whether the given number alpha that belongs to complex number is algebraic over the given field. If alpha is algebraic over f, find degree of alpha over the given field f. And question है alpha is equal to square root of 1 plus cube root of radical 2, and given field is a field of rationals. Now to check whether the given alpha is algebraic over the given field f, we have to find a polynomial in rings of polynomial q of x such that alpha would be the root of that polynomial. So let alpha is equal to, okay, given है alpha, so alpha is equal to 1 plus cube root of 2 नाउ सबसे पहले रेडिकल को रिमूव करने के लिए स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड्स, वी हैव अल्फा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू radical 1 plus cube root of 2 whole square. So alpha square is equal to 1 plus cube root of 2. Now अब इस क्यूब रूट को रिमूव करने के लिए इसको रीअरेंज करेंगे. अल्फा स्क्वायर माइनस 1 is equal to cube root of 2 because this polynomial does not belongs to rings of polynomial q of x, and we have to find a polynomial that belongs to rings of polynomial q of x, right? So now cubing both sides, we have alpha square minus 1 whole cube is equal to and 2 power 1 by 3 whole cube, because cube root of 2 is equal to 2 power 1 by 3. now इसका क्यूब एक्सपेंड करेंगे, so ये होगा अल्फा पावर 6 माइनस 3 अल्फा पावर 4 प्लस 3 अल्फा स्क्वायर माइनस 1 is equal to 2, right? So alpha power 6 minus 3 alpha power 4 plus 3 alpha square and minus 3 is equal to 0. So f of x is equal to x power 6 minus 3x power 4 plus 3x square minus 3 that belongs to rings of polynomial qx such that alpha is equal to square root of 1 plus cube root of 2 is a root of that polynomial, is a root of f of x, right? That is f of radical 1 plus cube root of 2 is equal to 0. Thus alpha is equal to square root of 1 plus cube root of 2 is algebraic over the given field Q, and degree of alpha over Q is equal to, and degree of this polynomial is equal to 6, so degree of alpha over Q is equal to 6, right? Now let's see another question. Now here is a second example. Alpha is equal to radical pi and given field is equal to q pi. I hope you know about Gaussian rationals. Q of iota and Gaussian integers z of iota. Gaussian rationals is the set of the form a plus iota b such that a and b belongs to rational numbers, and similarly Gaussian integers is the set of the form a plus iota b such that a b belongs to integers, right? मीन्स अगर a और b को रैशनल नंबर से, डिफरेंट रैशनल नंबर से रिप्लेस करें तो हमें डिफरेंट नंबर्स मिलेंगे जो कि इस फॉर्म में होंगे, राइट? और उन तमाम नंबर्स का सेट कहलाएगा गॉसियन रैशनल्स. और इसी तरह अगर a और b को इंटीजर से रिप्लेस करें तो डिफरेंट नंबर्स मिलेंगे और उन तमाम नंबर्स का सेट कहलाएगा गॉसियन इंटीजर्स, राइट? सो इसी तरह एक फील्ड है. अच्छा, ये फील्ड है रिंग्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल में. अगर हम रिंग्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल लिखते हैं तो उसमें हम लार्ज ब्रैकेट यूज़ करते हैं, राइट? और ये है क्यू ऑफ पाई या फिर जो भी हो यहाँ पर, इसके लिए हम स्मॉल ब्रैकेट यूज़ करेंगे. मीन्स ये एक अलग चीज़ है और ये एक अलग चीज़ है, राइट? इट इज़ अ फील्ड एंड इट इज़ अ रिंग्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल, राइट? सो क्यू ऑफ पाई मीन्स the set of the form a plus b pi such that a b belongs to rationals. Now let me check whether a given alpha is algebraic over a given field f or not. So alpha is equal to radical pi, and squaring both sides we have alpha square is equal to pi or alpha square minus pi is equal to 0. So f of x is equal to x square minus pi, right? Now pi belongs to q of pi, because q of pi is the set of the form a plus b pi. और अगर हम a is equal to 0 put करें, if a is equal to 0 and b is equal to, then it becomes 0 plus 1 pi is equal to pi. It means that pi belongs to q of pi. So it means that this polynomial x square minus pi belongs to q of pi of x, means rings of polynomial q of pi of x, right? Such that given alpha is equal to radical pi is a root of this polynomial, right? Such that यहाँ लिख देते हैं pi belongs to q of pi, such that this polynomial belongs to this rings of polynomial, such that alpha is equal to radical pi is a root of f of x, that is f of radical pi is equal to 0. So alpha is equal to radical pi is algebraic over q of pi, right? And degree of alpha means radical pi over q of pi. Degree of this polynomial is equal to 2. So degree of alpha means radical pi over the given field q of pi is equal to 2, right? So it was the way through which you can check whether the given alpha is algebraic over a given field f.